Hello from CE Travel Systems. My name is Richard and I will show you today how we have improved one of our bestsellers, the online booking tool GOL IBE. Let's have a closer look now at brand new design of GOL IBE. We call this version D4 because it's already the fourth generation of our booking tool. Although the significant design changes have been done, all the popular features remain. The entry form allows three options of journey type: one-way, round-trip and open GOL. Your customers can also select from all passenger types and travel compartments. The autocomplete feature in Destination Picker makes the entry form filling much easier, as GOL IBE suggests you the correct spelling of your destination, and also Google Maps are integrated. After the proper selection of travel dates for both outbound and inbound flights, you can decide if you want to search for direct flights only, choose your preferred alliance or favorite airlines from the list, and if you are flexible enough in your travel dates, also the ±3 days tolerance is available. And now we are ready to send your request to the host. While your customers are waiting for the results, the waiting screen is displayed. And here come the search results. Each offer brings as many itinerary details as you can imagine. The most important one is the price. But in GOL IBE we can find much more details about each flight. We can see total traveling time duration, the flight numbers, operating carrier details, booking class, type of aircraft or time of transfers. Detailed baggage allowance information is available with only one click. Here are displayed all important baggage info, including the maximum dimensions and the fees for additional baggage items. And the full content of the fare conditions is taken from GDS directly. The graphical design of GOL IBE can be easily modified and changed in order to be in line with your company colors and branding. Once we get the results, they are neatly displayed from the lowest price by default. However, you can use the sorting feature and reorder the result screen based on various criteria, like the fastest connection, for example. On top of this, there are filters available on the left-hand side. You can limit the number of transfers, filter out the offers which do not include baggage. You can also use these sliders to adjust the properties of journey for both outbound and inbound flights. These checkboxes serve for filtering the preferred airport of departure, arrival or transfer. The same works for filtering out of undesired carriers. And finally, you can also set up the limit for the ticket price. And very important thing today, GOL IBE is fully mobile responsive, so you can use it on any device. When you select the right travel option, hit the button Choose Flight. You are taken to the next step. Selected itinerary is displayed once more for quick checkout. The most important travel conditions are shown: minimum and maximum stay and the penalties. Then you easily fill in the passenger details like name, surname, frequent flyer card if any, and essential contact information. If needed, also billing information can be submitted. Then you simply select one of available payment methods Your customers can type an important message to your staff. And with confirming terms and conditions, we can complete the booking. And in a jiffy, the booking is confirmed and PNR booking reference is shown. We can check the new PNR on dedicated queue in your SmartPoint. With every new booking, you receive the confirmation to your email, same as your customer does. Then you will follow up with the customer to settle the payment and issue the ticket. And that's it. I'm sure we love these innovations. So if you want to start to use GOL IBE, please get in touch with your local Travelport office. In case you are already a user of our previous version of GOL IBE and considering the upgrade, which is free of charge, please get in touch with us through any channel you like. Cheers, see you next time.